If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level. So today we will see different types of mean, that is arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic means. Okay, then let's see this. The topic is means. There are different means in progression you will find. Till now what we know is arithmetic mean. Today we will know how about GM and HM also, geometric mean and harmonic mean also. So what is arithmetic mean? Suppose if I say x is any number, suppose, so a, x, b, they form an AP, suppose these three numbers, then x will be the AM, arithmetic mean between A and B. So you know the formula, if 3 are in AP, then I told you twice of this middle term is equal to first term plus last term, so x is equal to A plus B by 2. So this is the formula for mean of AB. This you know already. The mean that we know is nothing but the arithmetic mean. So this is the normal mean that we have always dealt with. AM of two numbers is A plus B by 2. AM of n positive numbers, that also you know. If you want to take arithmetic mean, whatever mean you know, that is arithmetic mean. Whatever mean you know till now, that is arithmetic mean. So A1, A2, A3, what will be the mean? Addition all these divided by number of terms. So that will give you AM. GM. Similarly, GM will be, suppose x is any number. So A, x, b, if they form in GP, then x will be the GM of AB. So I told you, if it is in GP, then middle 1 square b square equal to AC was the formula. So middle 1 square equal to first into last. So x is equal to plus minus. It is usual practice to take the positive one as a mean. So the geometric mean is root AB. So if you need two numbers GM, so you take product of these two numbers and to the power half. If there are n number, take product of n numbers and take power 1 by n. If there are three numbers, then A, B, C, take product and then 1 by 3. Take product of all and then roots, that number of roots as the number of terms is there. If there are three terms, then third root. Fourth term, then fourth root. Nth term, then nth root. So by now you know what will be the HM. In the similar notion, your HM will be, suppose A, X, B, three numbers, they form HP, then X will be known as the HM between A and B. HM for A and B. So you know if they are in HM, then 2 by B, 2 by middle 1 is equal to first term plus last term, because they will form 1 by A, 1 by X and 1 by B will form AP. So twice of middle 1 equal to first term plus last term. So if you solve it, it is X is equal to 2AB by A plus B. So this is the formula for HM. So HM for two numbers is this one. Now HM for n numbers, you have to take reciprocal of all numbers. This is the formula. N by HM will be equal to, for two number it was like this, for n number it will be n by HM. Take reciprocal each term, sum it, then take reciprocal, multiply by n, will give you HM. AM, GM, HM, all, suppose I represent it short formally A, G, H, then for two numbers AB. Suppose you have two numbers and A and B are not equal to and both are positive, and I denoted this symbol. Then this is a very interesting thing, so you can derive it also. I am not going to this one. Easily it can be derived. G square equal to AH. G square is, you apply G square. What is G? Root AB. Root AB square, what is A? Plus B by 2, and this is this one. So A plus B plus 2, you will get easily, it is coming. It is root AB whole square is equal to A plus B by 2 multiplies by 2AB by A plus, whatever formula we learned. So this cancels, so AB equal to AB. So this is proved. So that means AGH, they form an GP. But it is either increasing GP or decreasing GP, that we will see later. So this is the second very important formula. A is always greater than G, which is always greater than H. So this series, this one will be greater, this one will be smaller, this one will be more smaller. So it is a GP, but it is a decreasing GP. If you write it reverse, H, G, A, then it will be increasing GP. But we generally write it A, G, H. So alphabetically we get some rhythm only here. In general, this was for two numbers. Suppose for n numbers, then we say always AM is greater than equal to GM, which is greater than equal to HM. Equal to comes when all are equal. Here they are not equal, that's why equal to doesn't came, only greater than. If you write equal to, that means they can be equal. If they all equal, then all three will be same. Otherwise, this is a very important inequality we use in lots of inequality solutions. For solving sum of inequality problem, we always use this. AM is always greater than GM. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.